Hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Itzik and today I'm going to fix my band exhaust in my Tenere 700. Let's start. I bought the Tenere 700 because it's very reliable. I don't need to take it to the mechanic all the time, and also the service intervals are very long. But there's one thing I need to do by myself, and this is fixing the exhaust mount. Because every time you throw to the right side, the exhaust band throws the spring arm, and you can hurt the spring arm or maybe damage it if you ride like this. So usually people just push it out, but there's a limitation on how much you can push it out. And eventually you need just to remove the exhaust and bend it back out. So this is what we're going to do now, and we will see the procedure together. Okay, current situation with my exhaust. I'm pushing the bike up and I'm not sitting on it, and the exhaust almost touches the spring arm. Now I'm going to sit down and I'll show you what's the status of it. As you can see, the exhaust is touching the spring arm, so this is not good. We need to push it back out. Okay, so what's the procedure? We need to remove this one. This is an LN8, and remove this one. This is an LN6. Remove the entire exhaust, and then bend back the mount itself, and bring it all back. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start by removing this part here. Okay, now we're removing the bolt here. Okay, remove the washer and the bolt here. Okay, now we remove the entire exhaust. Okay, so this is out. And just spin it a little bit, and the exhaust is out. Okay, as you can see, there's a little burn here from the exhaust in the swing arm, so the Acerbis swing arm really helped. Now let's remove it and see if it's really help protecting the swing arm beneath it. Okay, I'm removing the swing arm now. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty, but no scratches or any kind of damage on the swing arm, so the Acerbis swing arm protection really helps. So our recommendation, buy one of these if you want to save your bike from damage. Okay, let's bring it, put it back in and continue. Okay, it's back in. Let's continue. Okay, so I bent the mount back. Now you can see it's straight. I use this tool to just do it like this. So I cannot show you the process because my camera didn't work, so I don't want to bend it back and straighten it up again. So can you believe me? So now it's straight, and you can install back the exhaust. Okay, so I'm putting back the exhaust now. Be sure that this part here is also straight, because it may be bent because it was bent like this. So just put it back in like this, a little bit twisty. Now we put the bolt back in, and that's it. Okay, and we put the washer and this one screw back inside. Now we can close it. Let's keep it, not close it all the way because I want to see if it's straight or not. Okay, to bring back this part here, you just need to push it a little bit back. There's a like here and like that. Okay, you need to see that it's located okay, and it's in the initial position here. And put the screw back in, and let's close it. But again, I'm not closing it until the end because I want to see that now it's straight. Okay, one important note, when you straight this one, you need to see if you need to straight this one as well. And when you connect it, there's no space between them, okay? So it's a perfect fit, like that. Okay, so let's see the status now. You can see that the exhaust is much further from the swing arm. I'm going to go on it, and let's see now. Okay, so as you can see, the exhaust is not touching the swing arm, so fix is okay. Now we can close all the things like it should be. Okay, we got to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed the video, and you can see now that it's not a difficult procedure to do. You just have to do it once in a while when you fell to the right side. This will keep your swing arm safe for the long run. Please consider subscribing if you like the content, share and like, and hope to see you in the next videos. Bye.